Hey, it's Charlie My Beauty. I'm here with a new beat. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Okay. Hey, it's Charlie My Beauty, and I'm here today with a new video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you ladies think. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm going in setting my eyebrows with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. It's best to set your eyebrows if you're going for a longer lasting brow. Also, if you're looking for a matte brow or you're trying to tone down a shiny brow. All right. Okay, for my brows today, I'm going in with the NYX matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Cherry Skies.
That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday.
Now, it's best when you're trying to line your eyebrows that you have a clean cut brow already. That way, when you go along the lining or you're outlining your brow, it's not that hard. So remember to outline the brow and then go in with your concealer to clean everything up. Okay, now I always go in and I brush out my brows before I lay down my concealer to make sure that I'm doing my best to give it that natural brow look by the time I get done laying down all my concealers and foundations. So brush out your brows before you clean them up and then go in with your concealer. Right now, this is the concealer LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then I go in at the top with Toast.
She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You can go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the...
Today I was really struggling with getting my eyebrows straight. I know they said they're not twins, they're just sisters, but I really feel like one of my arches is naturally higher than the other. Now, after you clean up your brows with your concealer, make sure you go in and blend out that concealer. You don't want any harsh lines coming through your foundation. This is a L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, More Than Concealer, in the shade 400 Caramel. Okay, so make sure you let your concealer sit a little bit on your eyelids so it can get a little bit tacky before you go in and blend that out, okay? Let it sit a little bit and then blend it out, whether you use a brush or a damp beauty blender. For this part, I would have to go with the damp beauty blender. It blends out beautifully and it's much faster. Not that we're going for speed, definitely going for quality. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Morphe by James Charles Mini palette. In this palette, I am so mad at the color red. Every time I try to go on with red, it just does not do it for me. I'm going to try an all red lid to see if it's just blending the red or if the red can pop naturally on its own. I don't know. I just feel like it's not given as far as pigmentation, the way the red's supposed to pop when you lay it down. Let me know if you experience the same thing with this palette. I feel like all other colors in the palette pop, but I get frustrated when I use the red. I'm not even gonna lie.
was on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and
remember, you don't want any harsh lines of eyeshadow on your eyelid. Go in and blend that out. And then my green kind of washed out at the end. I should have went over my green again when the look was all said and done. I believe it would have made the look pop a little bit better. But all together, all hands down, I really liked how this look came out. Okay, so the eyeshadow under my eye, I went in with the same colors that are shown above. I just added concealer and then went in with the same colors. And then we're going to conceal to clean it up because it came down a little bit lower than I would like. I'm just trying something new. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, right here I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch to conceal basically my T-zone area. That will be under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, the little center part of my forehead, my upper lip, and then the reverse contour on my cheeks below my cheekbones. Okay, ladies, so if you experience creasing under your eyes when you do your makeup, make sure that you're using a quality concealer. Drugstore concealers personally don't work for me. Anytime I use a drugstore concealer, I experience creasing. So I go in with the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I let that sit a little bit before I pat that out with a damp beauty blender or brush. Okay. Okay, so I went in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast as a foundation today to slay this look. Let me know what you ladies think. I am so in love with the LA Girl Pro Concealer shade Toast. It just looks like soft and milky. I'm definitely going to go find the foundation. I actually have some foundation. I'm going to see if it matches. We'll do a video on that today and give that a try and see if the foundation is just as smooth as the concealer. Let me know what you ladies think about LA Girl Pro Concealer and foundation. Okay, from here I jumped straight to contouring my face, and I don't know what I was thinking. Like, sis, my under eye, it creases. Normally I go right in with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich to hurry up and set my under eye, and I didn't. And because I didn't, I had major creasing on this look, which is so disappointing because it's such a beautiful look. Anyways, we're going in with the Juvias Place Bronzer in the shade Deep to contour our face. Okay, right here I'm just going in contouring my nose. This is my favorite part of contouring. You're putting definition back in your face, and your nose is everything, ladies. I'm sorry, the nose can make or break the face. Okay, so right here I'm going in with the NW MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder in the shade NW45. I promise within the next week I'm going to have another drugstore powder that I'm going to give a try and recommend because I can't be saying these videos are drugstore products only and I'm using MAC Studio Fix products. Anyways, this is the only powder that I have, foundation powder that I have. So yeah, I'll let you ladies know. Okay, so I went in with the Morphe Jumbo Continuous Setting Mist. And then I also went in with the e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Setting Mist. And I mixed the two because the e.l.f. Blue Light gives you a glow. And Morphe Mist, it gives you a matte. So it doesn't leave me too mattified and I have a nice glow when I combine the two. Let me know what you ladies think.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose. I still love you, doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. Oh, God. You ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone.
Okay, ladies, it's Charlie Mar Beauty, and this is the beat. Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here with a new beat. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know.